Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I am absolutely in love with these gorgeous lights that create this beautiful glow on the back part of my house. We installed these awesome solar lights from TIJNN onto our back deck and are pleasantly surprised by the quality and how well crafted that they are.
So I opted for a pack of 16 of these lights. They are a beautiful design. You can see that acrylic panel and it has that small little beading in them. And then it comes with the solar panels that you place into the pucks once you have them installed. The installation was really easy because the kit comes with everything that you need, and these have a place where you can screw them right onto your deck, and the nails for it are really small, so you don't have to worry about making big holes. I also really appreciate that because of that acrylic design, they are really sturdy. They did not crack at all while I was installing them. Once you have them installed, you take out the little plastic piece so that the solar panels will be ready to go, and then you place them into the holder and they stay put. They're very tightly put in there, so you don't have to worry about them coming out. They cast a beautiful glow as soon as dusk comes and are really beautiful.
The beautiful glow that these lights create is really remarkable. I love how beautiful that they look, how easy they were to install, and how really well constructed they are. Why not add some beautiful lighting to your back deck area or to anywhere where you'd like to install these? And that's my point of view.